I'm selling my bedroom. It's all for sale. I'm selling my bedroom. It's all for sale. I'm selling my bedroom. It's all for sale. Well, step right up and don't be shy. You're in the place to be if you're looking to buy. This is the marvelous bedroom of Johnny D, and everything is for sale, well, except for me. Take a good look around and drink it all in. I've got incredible goods on which you can bid. You can have the whole package for a small expense of only $7,000,099. That's cheap. It's all for sale. I'm selling my bedroom. It's all for sale. I'm selling my bedroom. It's all for sale. I'm selling my bedroom. It's all for sale. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. This Sunday, the first 3 customers will get a free ice cream sundae. That's a free ice cream sundae to the first 3 on Sunday. Offer only available to the first 3 customers on Sunday. Additional promotions do not apply. I've got one purple sock with 2 little holes, one half of a banana peel that's 3 days old. Next to 3 custom paper airplanes on my desk, and I'll sell them as a package for just 70 cents. But if you act now and throw in one more dime, I'd be willing to part ways with 3 red vines. In fact, I've got a whole candy stash under my bed, next to 3 Harry Potter books I've already read. Shazam! It's all for sale. I'm selling my bedroom. It's all for sale. I'm selling my bedroom. It's all for sale. I'm selling my bedroom. It's all for sale. Let's see what else. If you're looking for posters, I've got a few of superhero sports teams and a kangaroo. I've got a Lego castle that I made with my friend Steve, a 5,000-piece puzzle of a chimpanzee. Just name your price and we can make a deal. Even my teddy bear's for sale and some skateboard wheels. I've got a notepad of stories that I wrote at school, but I'm not selling that because it's way too cool. It's all for sale. I'm selling my bedroom.